HTM 360 degrees rotary heat press machine. Achieve seamless 360 degrees pattern heat transfer. Place the area of the t-shirt to be printed onto the heating platform. Lay the transfer film over the desired area. Set the left preheating plate to 70 degrees Celsius and the pressure roller to 165 degrees Celsius. Adjust the speed to start the transfer. "360 degrees uniform heating ensures strong adhesion of the pattern. Carefully peel off the film. Truly seamless prints with vivid colors, smooth edges and perfectly aligned pattern seams. Choose the HTM 360 degree rotary heat press machine to experience seamless heat press technology.